Today is the day. Are you ready to see your most rarest and treasured cards top-loaded? There's our giveaway win. Here's the massive stack that I promised. Are you stoked? Are you ready? Are you hyped? Let's get into it. What's up, everyone? Ben of Production. So as the title states, we're going to get into it. We're going to start off with this stack first. What do we have? 3, 2, 1. Oh, hey, a Detective Pikachu promo. Wow, Psyduck. Who likes Psyduck? Real Breaking Nate. Tell him that Ben F. Production sent you, not that he watches my channel anyway. I used to watch his channel, but he never watches mine. So tell him I sent you, tell him I don't. It's all good by me. Next is we got Bulbasaur. So shoutouts to Bulbamon. He goes, Bulbasaur. I think. I don't know. We'll see. Up next, hey, another Bulbasaur. Wow. Again, top load. Here we go. Show you how it's done. More top loads. Next up, hey, I was gonna say Tropic Thunder. That's a movie. Lost Thunder. Suicune. Is that backwards? No, it's not. Okay. Always bang it down to make sure our cards go all the way at the bottom. Next. Almost said Chimecho. Cincino. See, that's how you know these videos are original. You make mistakes. The hardcore people. Oh, hey, Galarian Meowth. Nice. Sword and Shield. I was going to say the hardcore people, they don't want to make mistakes in their videos. So you don't really know if it's from your original or not. That's just how you know it's an original YouTuber. I make mistakes. Because we're all human, right? Humans make mistakes. We're not robots. We're humans. Just remember that. Oh, we got another Detective Pikachu Snubbull. Let's go here. Wow. Some of the cards, the sleeves, might be upside down because I sleeved them way back when. So I don't know if they're sleeved correctly, but we'll keep it going anyway. Some cards I just push down with my hand because it's easier than banging on a table, right? You don't want to hear too much noise in the background. So I'm working on in a quiet area, hopefully. Oh, whatever. Alright, so the hidden cards, if you haven't seen the video already, first we have Inteleon, excuse me. I don't know why I had Incineroar on the brain. But it's all good. Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. You remember that show? Who doesn't? Are you as old as me? Maybe you are, maybe you're not. Next we have, showed it already, Piplup and Dawn. Get it out of the card saver. And into a top loader. Did that go? Nope. See, sometimes you gotta push them down with your fingers. Sometimes you bang them on the table. You know, it is what it is. Next up, Crobat. Might have the double of that card already, but we'll top load it anyway. Oh, I was gonna put it in the top load in the card saver. Where's my head out? Where's my head today? So how's everyone doing today? I don't know when this video is gonna come out, so I guess I should say how's everyone doing this morning, this afternoon, this evening, whenever. Hope everyone's well, safe, enjoying life, enjoying the goodness that life has to offer. So next we have another, I don't know why am I blanking on the name here? Another version of Lapras. Why did I do that? I don't know. Who knows? It's too early for me to make a video. What time is it? I think it's 7 a.m. So this video will probably go out the next day. I think I'm done with those. Alright, so let's see what's in this stack. Oh, hey! We start off good. Actually, no, we always start off good. So first, I can't read that. If you want to read this type of card writing, check out Madden Gaming. He does this stuff. I don't, unfortunately. Well, I can't read it anyway. Next card, Lycanroc, I know that. Solgaleo? Maybe? Centiskorch. Another Centiskorch Bacon. VMAX. Oh, finally English. We got some hop. That's from, you know, the set. Name escapes me. Dragapult. Indeedee. English. Yes, we need that. What is that? Galarian Darumaka V? VMAX? Double V? Oh, hey, look at what? Deja vu. Another Crobat. Well, looks like I have one for trade. Yippee. Put that to the side. Dreadnought. The dreaded Hey, another version of Crobat. Wow. Put that with the other Crobat. Hey, more bacon. Whoa. Hey, what's going on here? More bacon. Lots of cards to trade here. Oh, Pikachu. Think that I got that as a win. Most of these. Hey, I know what that card is. Ditto. Hey, Ditto VMAX. Only fitting. He was in the Detective Pikachu movie. Name is. I don't like being put on the spot, okay? Deal with it. I can't remember the name. You do, though. Mew and Mewtwo. A card. Another card. Dedenne? No, not Solgaleo. I'm not gonna waste my time. Because you're not here to put me to... Oh, hey! Wigglytuff! And Jungle, OG, yay! Dusknoir, and, a tree. Magnet, hey, more OGs! Wow, nice! Hey, Giovanni's Exile! Hey, can't go wrong! Shining Volcanion? What? I had a Shining Fates! No. I don't know. I've never collected this set. Alakazam! Wow! Chansey! Wow. And we back to the massives. Let's keep it going. Hey, Toxtricity! Nice. Tapu Koko VMAX. Colossal. Baby Shinies, nice. We got a mix of everything here. Snom, nice. Well, okay, I guess it's nice, maybe. I don't know. Do you think it's nice? Grookey. He's the starter I picked in Sword and Shield. What about you? What starters do you pick? Grookey, Scorbunny, or Sobble? Let me know in the comments. Coughing. I don't do impressions well. Check out JD State CCM90. He does Pokemon impressions, Simpsons impressions, South Park impressions, and a whole bunch of others. So check him out. Let him know Benef Productions sent you. Galarian Surfetched. Nice. Not Farfetch'd, but Surfetched. Yveltal! Wait, no, I did show this, but it's not a surprise, but I guess for you it's a surprise. Another side note, 450, I'm gonna do the giveaway for a Pharaoh Servant Yu-Gi-Oh! Booster Pack. Hey, another bacon! Nice! Making me hungry. Did you all have breakfast, lunch, or dinner yet? Let me know. Hey! I got this guy in my... This was my starter. Again, what's your starter Pokemon? Grookey, Scorbunny, or Sobble? Let me know down below. Another one! Wow! Got so many. Here. Wow, nice. Hey, what's this? A splurge of everything. This is from a box. I forget which box, but you let me know. That card. Electric Pokemon. Oh, I gotta top load this. It's not in the right sleeve here. I mean, it's not in a top loader. I gotta top load that. There we go. Nice. All right. Let's see some others. Quite a mess here, huh? I'm a very messy guy. Dragonair. Hitmonchan. Another Crobat. Whoa, all these Crobats here. You want to see all my first ads? Well, let's save that for the next video, shall we? I got a heap load here. Like, share, comment, subscribe. See you soon.